24 JAMB 2023 past question. Mathematics. Calculate the mean deviation of the first 5 prime numbers. So this is a question on statistics, particularly mean deviation, or we call it mean absolute deviation. So first, we need to first know the numbers involved. They said prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by 1 and themselves. So examples are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Those are the first five prime numbers. 1 is not among them. So that means the numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. These are the first 5 prime numbers. Now, the next thing, what is the formula for mean deviation? Mean deviation is also known as mean absolute deviation, MAD. So that's sigma, absolute value of x minus bar x, all divided by n. So if it is for a set of numbers, this is the formula best used, since it is not a frequency distribution. So it means no matter what, the first thing to do here is to compute our mean. So mean is bar x. So mean is sigma x all over n. How do we compute that? We add all of the numbers together and divide by how many numbers? Total number. So adding all of them together, 2 plus 3 will give me 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 11, that will give me 28. So I have 28. 28 divided by how many are they? 5. So mean will be 28 divided by 5. 28 divided by 5, that gives me 5.6. That is 5.6. Now, to get the mean deviation, we have to be subtracting the mean from each score and taking the absolute value. So how do we get that? So MAD, which is the mean absolute deviation, will be equal to mean. So I will subtract 2 minus 5.6 in absolute value plus the next one, which is 3 minus 5.6 in absolute value again, plus the next one, which is the mean. Okay, 5 minus 5.6 plus the next one, which is 7 minus 5.6 plus the next one, which is 11 minus 5.6, all divided by total number, which is 5. Now, we have to compute each one of them. So the MAD, which is the mean absolute deviation, will be equal to 2 minus 5.6. Of course, it will give me negative, but I will turn it to positive because I need the absolute value. So minus 3.6. Taking the absolute value, I will have 3.6. Plus the next one, 3 minus 5.6. So that will also give me negative. But I will take the positive value, which is 2.6. Plus the next one, which is 5 minus 5.6. So that is equal to 0.6 minus 0.6. I'll take the positive value, which is 0.6. The next one I add 7 minus 5.6. That will give me positive answer. So, and the absolute value of positive will still be positive. That's 1.4 positive. So 11 minus 5.6. That's the next one. So that gives me 5.4 positive. So all divided by 5. The next thing is to add all of the scores together, starting with 3.6 plus 2.6 plus 0.6 plus 1.4 plus 5.4. So everything equal to 13.6, all divided by 5. So 13.6 divided by 5. This gives me 2.72. That's the mean absolute deviation, option A. Thank you. God bless you.